How to display image using HTML. So we have tag all this. Height, where also we can write in pixel. This one. So written this. Now come to the next file. There we'll study about the hyperlink. You can write here only how to link the pages in HTML. So we have a tag called href. And then we can write here call text to link. We'll close the A. Here will be the next file name. Here is some other property as well. We will see that. Let's create two files. Link1.html. Or we have created two files yesterday. One was called image, another was called UL. UL, OL, and DL. Three files we have created. Those files we will link. UL.html and OL.html. We will link together. Then it will become a hyperlink. OL and UL, both we will link. It will become a hyperlink. So write this and then come to the OL file. In OL will provide a hyperlink and in UL we will provide a hyperlink. Okay, go to the OL file. In OL file in the beginning, just after the H1, we will write a tag called href. Here we will write call. Next file we have ul.html and we can also write call go next. Go next. Written. Now same link you copy. Come to the OL file, UL file. UL file. Two file we have, OL and UL. So in UL, we will give the link to OL. OL. So right. Go back. Go back. Okay. So in UL file, you are linking to OL. And in OL file, you have linked to UL. Now run the file, OL file, or maybe UL file. You will see the hyperlink will be there in both the pages. In beginning itself, go back. We'll come to the UL. Go next. We'll go to the UL. This is called hyperlink. How to link the pages, one page to next page to previous page. This way. Check once link is working. I guess one person is trying.
Yeah, sir. Sir, can I share my screen because it's not opening for me the folder?
Go to the file, then
Let me.
open folder. Your HTML folder is loaded here in VS Code.
Yeah, sir. HTML folder. I can see.
Open folder and then load that folder here. It should look like this HTML folder and below all the list of files.
Sir, it's asking me the select folder option. After selecting, it's not opening.
You have to select the HTML folder.
Yeah, HTML folder only I have selecting.
Again, go back.
Mm-hmm.
Don't double click on HTML folder, just single click.
Okay.
After that, click on button below. Not open.
Mm-hmm.
Share your screen.
Okay.
You are host now. You can share the screen.
Yeah, I am sharing it. Yes, sir. Here it's not coming complete file.
Not file.
Open folder.
No, maximize the full screen first. Keep full screen the VS Code.
Okay.
Click on
Hmm.
that. Now go to the file menu,
Okay.
open folder,
Hmm.
click on HTML. Now click on select folder. Now click on that file icon in the left side. Left side. Yeah,
Okay.
file icon. Yeah, click on that.
Okay, sir.
To the folder here.
Hmm.
I run that file now. HTML,
Yeah.
UL file.
ol.ul.html.
Run anyone.
Okay. Hmm. Go back is fine.
Click on that.
Okay, it's
Now,
coming. Hmm.
okay, next.
Okay.
So this linking is done now. That
Hmm.
is through the Ahref. Now right below another point, how to, not how to, just write simple called table.
Okay.
Table in HTML. So two ways we have, we can create the table using two methods. Right, the first method. First method is the syntax comes like this: table. Table will have a tag called caption. It will have a tag called tr. It will have a tag called th. It will have a tag called td. Tr is called table row. Table row. Th is called as a table heading. Td is called as a table data. Table heading, table data. This is the first method. Second method also we can write. Second method of table. Table tag will come. Here T head will come. Then T body will come. Then T foot will come. T head, T body, T foot. T head will have again tr, and it will have call th. T body will have a tr. Here is called as a td. T foot will have a tr. This is called as a th again. T head, T body, T foot. T head, T body, T foot. Now we'll write below T head what it will do. It cover upper part of table. Okay, it cover middle part of table. This cover the footer part of table. Yeah. T head, T body, and T foot. T head when we write, it will display in the beginning of table. T body if you write, it will display in the bottom of middle of table. T foot if you write, it will appear in the bottom of the table. So this is the three segment: T head, T body, and T foot. Now write below some properties in table. Property in table. Property in table. So we will write here a property called align. It has three values: left, right, and center. Table we can display either left side of the screen, right side of the screen, or in center of the screen. Okay, that is called table align left, right, or center. Next we have called border. Right, it will give the border of the table. Next we have border color. It apply color on border line. Then we have a property called cell padding. Cell padding. It apply a space. It apply a space inside TH and TD. Cell spacing. It apply a space outside of TH comma TD. Okay, write this much. Then we'll go to the example. Two pages will create, table 1, table 2, and we'll see one by one. Okay, hope written. Create a file table1.html. Table1.html. Shift +1. Enter. Open the table tag. Close the table tag. Okay, table tag open close. Use the first tag called caption. Write inside call customer details. Customer details. Okay, customer details. Next, write the TR. Follow the TH. Keep inside. Program. Follow the TD. Any name. Go for the next TR. Add one more TH. One number. Follow a TD here. Write one more TR. Use the TH. City name. Follow one TD. Bangalore. Add one more TR. Then we'll run the page. TH. Education. Next TD. Okay, write this. Okay, hope written till here.
Yes, sir.
Now we will add some property for this table. If you run directly, you will find it's a very simple table. It's look like this. Now we will apply the property on that. So look will get changed. We will write here for align as a center. Cell padding. Cell padding 15. Okay. Border 1. Okay, written. Now refresh the page. It look like this. Inside the table, space got applied. You are written cell padding because of that. Increase the space. 15 we are given. Let's give 25. You will find inside THTD more space got applied. Okay, hope ready. Check now replacements. You will find lot of space happen here. This is because of cell padding. Surrounding mobile number space is coming 25 pixel because of cell padding. Now we will use here one more cell spacing. Cell spacing equal to, let's write call maybe 10. Between two cells, between two border line, space will come now. Written 10. You can see now here some space happened between two cells. Before space was very less, now space got increased 10 pixel. I will
Yes,
write
sir.
now cell spacing as a 20. You will find the space got increased between two cells. Run it, it will become little more spacious. If I give here cell spacing 0, you will find single line border. Cell spacing 0,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
single line border.
Sir, if we don't specify cell spacing anything, it will take defaultly double border.
1 pixel border. If you will not specify anything in cell spacing, by default, between two cells, 1 pixel gap will come. So suppose
Okay.
if I wrote here just like this, or if I just remove it, then you can see here double line is coming.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Double line is coming. Why? Because it is applying the cell spacing as a 1 by default. Cell spacing as a 1 by default.
Okay.
Right. I will write here now cell spacing 0. So you will find very clean single line. Now, why single line will happen? Because the space will get removed. And then both the single line border will merge together. And it will become little thick line. Something like this. Now I will make here called this caption. Caption is coming. We will increase the font size. Now change first color as a border color. Border color equal to red. Border color equal to red. Border color equal to red. So border will come in red color. Now let us see once. You can see red color appear. Border color. So inside the cell space applied through the cell padding. Between two cells, the space applied or removed happen through the cell spacing. Border 1 pixel came because we follow the border. Then border color came. We follow the border color property. Now let us increase the size of this customer details. So we have a concept of heading tag. We will use the H1 tag here. And we will close this H1 tag at last. Here. We'll close the H1 tag here in the last. Just like this. Okay, so font size will get increased. H1 is going to give the big font size. Now wherever we call it, the content font size will be big size. Okay, let us save and see once how it is. It looks like this. Customer details. Now we will create one more table in the same page, but that table structure will be little different. This table is especially to display the details of one customer. This table is especially to display the details of one customer. If you want to display the details of multiple customer, how to display? Also, if you increase the thickness of border, maybe 1 we are given. If you give 10, then what will happen? So let us check here. Border as a 10. You will find outside of table border will increase. Inside of the table border will remain same. Inside the table border will remain same. So it is just like this. If you go here, outside border will increase, inside border is remain 1 pixel only. So to increase inside also, CSS is required. Okay, now border equal to, if I give 20, border equal to 20, it appear like this. Next, come down, create one more table. There will display the list of customers. So write one more table here. First one BR we can add. Then write a table. Keep inside. Align in the center. Now right here. Cell padding equal to 15. Write a caption here. Again, you can use H1. And you can write here called customer list. Customer list. Okay, customer list. PR, follow the TH. TH, TR, TH. You will write inside call serial number, serial number. Next TH, full name of the customer. So in first TR, we are going to write only headings. Third heading, mobile number. Fourth heading, city name. Fifth heading, call education. So five column is okay. Then we will use here again border. How we wrote for the first table. Cell spacing, cell padding, border, border color, etc. You can apply here as well. Okay, color you can change the blue color. So this table will look different color. Border will come here also, but it will be in different color. Okay, ready? Add it like this. Now come for the browser and check once what is the appearance. It appears like this. So heading is added. Now below we need to fit the data. each TR for one customer. TD 01, next TD, full name, next TD, mobile number, next TD, city name, next TD, education, MCA. So this will become a row, another row. First row holds only the list of TR. Second row holds the one customer in this format. One customer in this format. Please add one TR. Will come in 1 minute. Yes, one TR is added. Let's add one more TR. 2, 3 TR will add. We'll see how it look. PD 02. Next TD. S. Next TD. Next TD will be by. After that, next TD. Oh, Mumbai, then education. BC. So this will appear like this. Two customer details. Cell padding is under our control. We can increase or decrease. Table will become spacious or it will become low space based on it. Follow the next TR. Then a PD 03. Next TD. Sumit Kumar. Next TD. Next TD. Kolkata. After that, next TD. C from the BCom. Okay, from the BCom. Ready? 3 rows is added. It look like this. This is using the first method. Now we will create a table using the second method. There will follow the T head, T body, and T foot. So working, looking similar or different?
Yeah, similar only it's looking, sir.
Okay. Then create the next file, table2.html. Table2.html. Shift +1, enter. Now create a table here. This table will give similar cell spacing as 0, cell padding to 10, border we can leave it, align as center. H1, we cannot write directly H1 here. We have to write called T head. Then one PR, BG color equal to PH, serial number, TH, the name, next TH, item cost, next TH, quantity, next TH, cell. This TR BG color we have given as a orange. So this TR should come in orange color. Okay, hope ready. Copy this T head and keep just here only. Change is a T foot. This should be a sky blue color or maybe light gray color. Written. Now go after the T foot. Use the T body. After the T foot, T body. Under the T body, we can write again TR. Under T body, you will write the TR. Here you will use the TD. 0, 1. Next TD. Called item name as a apple. Next TD. Item cost rupees 300. Next TD. Next TD. Quantity 10 kg. Next TD. Seller Alex. Okay, now run this file and see where this T body is taking the place. If you see the sequence, first the orange background will come. Second, BG color light gray will come. Third, white will come. But when we run the page, what will be the sequence? Let's check here. Sequence is little different. First orange, light gray spelling is wrong. GRAY, yeah. LIGST, GRAY. Light gray is like this. Okay, write this. See what is the sequence. The code we have written, the sequence is different. And when we are running the page, the sequence is different. Okay, so you saw the sequence. What is the first? T head.
Yeah.
Last is T foot. In between T body.
Mm.
The code we have written. What is the first? T head.
Mm.
What is the second? T foot.
Good.
What is the third? T body. But T body is printing between both. Right? When we are running the page, T body is printing between both. So in table, if you are writing wrong sequence also, T body always take the place in the middle.
Mm.
So T body you should cut from here, cut the T body from here and paste between T head and T foot.
Mm.
Paste between T head and T foot. So ready? So have we changed the place? Whenever we write the code, first will be the T head, second will be the T body, and last will be called T foot. T head, T body, and T foot. T head, T body, and T foot. Okay, so similar way, copy the TR, paste one more time within the T body only, and add one more here. Write the serial number 2, equals change to member, rupees 400, 5 kg. Mohit is the seller. Right? Mohit is the seller. You will find under the T body, there will be 2 records. Under the T body, there will be 2 records now, just like this. We will come before the table and we will use a H1 tag before a table, because when you follow the T head and T body and T foot, when you follow the T head, T body and T foot, there is no any place for caption tag. So to provide the heading, we can use the any tag before table. So we follow the table, before table we are following now H1. There we can write table, table, T head, T body, T foot. Here you can put a align property also, center. Align is equal to center. Okay, I hope H1 is ready. No, say, look like this. Then for this table, we can use now little cell padding we have written is okay. We have a property called width property. DTX, width equal to maybe 50% of the screen, width equal to 50% of the screen, it look like this. Okay, now alignment problem happen. You can see heading is printing in the center, table footer is printing in the center, and table body is printing in the left side. Correct? So it should be in the center somewhere. So for T body, you can use a property called align center. Under the T body, whatever the data you have, all will get printed in the middle center. Okay. T body align is equal to center. Okay. T body align center. We can see it's coming in the center here. Go for next. Add some more TR in that. We can write here is 3. 300 3 kg sold by Rohit. Yeah, sold by Rohit. Or 04 grapes 100 sold by Ramesh. So this way we got the list of items inside the T body and it appear like this. This is based on T head, T body and T foot, where heading always come in the top, footer heading come in the last, and data will come in between. Okay, please check it. Also let me know working or not. Right, so we'll go for the next property, next picture of table. Completed or going on?
Yeah, completed, sir.
Okay, so next we'll come to developer guide. Right here, next property call span. Call span. You can write here, it combine a space of, two or more columns. It combine the space of two or more columns. Go to the same file, table2 file, and in table2 file, add one more item. Add one more item in tbody, add one more tr, where td is available 05. Next, orange, cost is confirmed. Okay, after that, seller is there. Seller is there, but cost and quantity is missing. Two column is not exist. So at this place, assume like two column is not exist. If we run this page, it will look like little unbalanced. It will look like column count unmatched. It will look like column count unmatched. Column count unmatched. Let us see how it look. You can see seller name is coming in front of cost. Seller name is coming in front of cost. The seller name was supposed to be here. Then how to cover this two gap so that the seller name will come here in the last. So in that case, the 1, 2 TD is missing here. The missing TD space, the space of this missing TD, we will give to name. And we'll ask name, you take the space of cost and take the space of quantity. How to do that? You can go here for name property, for name table, you will write here call span as a 3. Then we'll ask why 3. Because 2 column is missing now. 2 column is missing. And the TD has to take the space of this 2 column. 2 column is the missing column. And the TD has to take the space of this 2 column. So what will happen now? We have to merge the space of first column and second column. Merge happen. But who will take the space? This name column. So name is already 1 and it has to combine the space of remaining 2. Name is already 1 and it has to combine the space of remaining 2. So become a call span 3. 2 is missing and 1 is this one. You can see now seller name will go in the last. Seller name came in the last. Now the product name is coming here. It has to be here only, left side. So we will use here or let it be in the center, no problem. Just we'll write a BG color to identify that, BG color to represent that the orange which we have written, BG color is sky blue, right? Okay, save it. It's coming. Take the space of 2 columns. In case this space look like difficult, not able to identify how it is merging, no problem. Remove this BG color from here. We will remove the BG color and we will come to the table and we will use a border property. Border equal to 1. Now what you will see is, you will see like border is coming. In that it represents clearly that the item name orange is taking the space of 3 columns. And when we combine the space of 2 or more columns together, it is called call span. This is called call span. Using call span, we will merge the space of 3 columns like this. Okay, please check it. Okay, ready? Let's see. Border color look like this. Sorry, border. Border got apply 1 pixel everywhere. Again, we'll come down and we will create one more TR. In that TR, only assume price is missing. Cost is there, only quantity is missing. Then how it look like? We will write here a TR. That TR hold the TD 06. Then it will have a TD, right? Milk. Then it will have a cost, rupees 400. Next TD, is directly seller name, Amol. Okay, and then what is missing is quantity is missing. Then again, one column is missing and one is some column has to occupy that space. If I run this file, you will see like this mismatch. Here, Amol came in front of quantity. Amol should be here and these 2 columns should combine. So we are going to combine the space of 2 columns. We will write here call span equal to 2. Call span equal to 2. Okay, hope ready. Call span 2. Now we can find out this column combined like this. 2 column space got combined. Here 3 column space we combined. And here two column space will come. This happens through the call span. Again, we will write one more TR. In that, cost is available, quantity is available, seller is present, seller is not present. Then how it will be? Or maybe also we can do only item name is available, remaining all columns are missing. Then how it will look? Okay, so write the TR TD 07, next TD, water, remaining all columns are missing. So how many columns are missing, that we have to see first. So the total missing column is 1, 2, and then 3. 3 columns are missing, and the space of 3 column we need to combine with the name. A space of 3 column we need to combine with the name. Okay, a space of 3 column we need to combine with the name. Then what to do is, you will write here 3 is missing and 1 is the current one. Call span as a 4. Call span as a 4. So it will take the space of 4 columns. It will take the space of 4 columns. Check once. Working just like this. Okay, so I hope you have done it.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
shall we go for next file? Or in the same file, we will add one more column. Okay, what column we will add? Suppose we will add a column on the top called city name. Okay, city name. And for all the users, the city is same. Then what will happen? How many row we need to add here? Or only one row is sufficient? So let's go to the T head. Under the T head, follow a TH, follow a TH call, city. Add the same TH in the footer also. Go to the T foot, add the column called city. So city should be in the header and city must be in the footer. City should be in the header and city should be in the footer. Next, if we run the page, it look like this. City is empty for all the users. So we need to see how many users are there, how many items are there. So total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we have. Total we have called 7. Right? We have total call 7. We need to display here. We need to display here the same city name for all the items. This item is purchased by the customer, sold by the, or this item and seller is available in which city. So all item and all seller are in same city. So we want to write one city name in such a way it should display for all the seller and product. So go to the first row in T body. In T body, go to the first row and add a TD here. Okay, add a TD here. Right, add a TD here. In this, what you will do is, you will write the name of city as a Bangalore. Name of city called Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore added. Check now, Bangalore will appear for the first item. We wanted the same should come till here. Then how many rows it has to cover? Total 7 rows it has to cover. When you wanted to cover the multiple columns, you have used the call span. Here 4 column we wanted, so we have used the call span. Here 2 column we wanted to combine, we have used call span. Here 3 column we wanted to combine, we have used call span. Here 7 rows we want to combine. So we have to use row span. We have to use called row span. So in that TD, you will write call row span equal to exact 7. Row span equal to 7. It will take the height of 7 rows. It will take the height of 7 rows. It will display in 7 rows. Okay. So we have written, check now. You will find row span 7 and your city will appear in the middle. It represents that this all the seller and product belong to one city. Right? So row span, what is the role of row span? Used to combine the space of multiple rows. Used to combine the space of multiple rows. That happen through the row span. Okay, row span used to combine the space of multiple rows. Fine. Come now. We wanted to display this Bangalore maybe on the top. Maybe we want to display in the bottom. By default, it's coming in the middle. So we will go here and we will use a property called row span. Row span. Row span equal to, sorry, row span, hold on. It's called V align. V align. It's called a vertical align. V align equal to top. Okay. V align equal to top. Vertical align should be top. V align equal to top. Right? V align top. You can see now vertical align coming. So vertical align represent top, middle and bottom. Now I will write for V align bottom. V align bottom. It's called vertical align bottom. Okay, vertical align bottom. We can see here. Vertical align is coming in the bottom. Vertical align is bottom. So we have V align total 3 type. When we write align, it's called as a horizontal align, either left or right or center. Left, right, center. It is called as a align. When we write V align represent top, middle, bottom. Top, middle, bottom. It's called as a which one? V align. Vertical line, top, middle, bottom. Okay, save the file. Now come to developer guide. We have written called row span. What is the use of that? Make a note here. Row span. It used to combine a space of two or more. It used to combine a space of two or more TR. Next we have called V align. You can write here. It used to combine a space of two or more. No. V align, vertical align, right? In vertical align, what you are going to do? You are going to align your data, either top, middle or bottom. We can write here, it has 3 options. V align as a top, V align as a middle, and V align as a bottom. Okay, top, middle, bottom. V align, vertical align, top, middle, bottom. Okay, V align, top, middle, bottom. You can write here, default is middle. Default is middle. Default is middle. By default, align is middle. That is called V align. Fine, written. Now let me give you some, based on this table, row span and col span, there is a 12 photos as a homework. Okay, 12 pages as a homework is there. Let me show you what is that. Basic, set 1. You can see this photo. Okay, it is based on col span and row span. Here is the col span and here is the row span. Second photo also col span, row span. Also col span, row span. Here this is called row span. This is called col span. This is called row span and col span. Right? In this, there is the row span. So the photo, I'm sending you 12 photos. In that, overall, you have 1, 2, 3, 11 photos are there. These all are based on row span and col span. You can try it little from your side. Fine. Because if you are just working on the assignment, you will be right remembering the concept. If you will not work on assignment part, you will forget it. And this assignment is the first set, very basic, based on just HTML. HTML table where row span and col span. Here in the weekend, where is that folder? Can anyone message once? Hi. Message once in that group, weekend group.
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, I have messaged.
Now I'm sharing these photos. Assignment basic set 1 to 11. All very basic photos.
Mhm.
Right? Send to you. Right. You will just work on that.
Mhm.
Videos. This class video will also get converted